Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2023 Subaru Outback, stock number 7001. This ran from the 12-2020 to the current shape. It's an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder engine, got an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory maker tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory maker tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory maker tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory maker tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,